Karen with Big Cartel support team. Today I'm going to walk you through connecting a custom domain to your Big Cartel shop using the built-in automated feature. So here we are on the shop settings page of the admin. To get there, just click shop settings in the left navigation. We're going to click add a custom domain and then click connect a domain you already own. We already own this domain, so we are not going to click buy a new domain. All right, next up, click continue. And then here we need to enter the custom domain we want to use for our shop. This is an OK domain. All right. By default, you're going to see www right here. If you're using your custom domain on an external website or page, you will want to use a different subdomain right here, like shop.example.com or store.example.com. But I'm not using my domain elsewhere, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it and click continue. Porkbun is my DNS provider, so that is accurately being detected. Now we need to log in to the DNS account so that a CNAME record and a 301 redirect, which are both required, can be created for me on the back end. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Here we go. Click continue. Authentication can take a few minutes. You don't have to sit at your computer waiting. You can get up and leave. Everything's going to still be taken care of for you. And then just come back whenever. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video so that we don't have to wait forever, just in case. And I'll be back in a minute. All right, that did not take forever. Probably took about 1 minute and 10 seconds maybe. But that's all done. I didn't have to do anything. I did not have to log into my DNS account to create the CNAME record or the 301 redirect. It was all done for me. So now we're going to go ahead and click done here. And we can see, now I'm going to come back to this error message, okay? We can see the custom domain has been connected. This little yellow padlock means that our system is just waiting for the CNAME record and the 301 redirect to fully update so that we can then create the SSL certificate for the custom domain. Now, that little error message down here at the bottom right, as long as this gets successfully connected, you should be able to totally ignore any error that pops up. It can take time for those changes to fully update. Up to 48 hours usually doesn't take that long, but every once in a while you do have to be really patient. So if you do see any weird errors you're just not sure about, don't hesitate to reach out to us in support. You can email us at support@bigcartel.com, or if you're logged into the admin, just click Get Help here at the bottom left to reach out. Now, when the CNAME record and the 301 redirect have fully updated, this padlock will turn green, just like this one, and this message will go away, and you'll be good to go. And that is how you connect a custom domain to a Big Cartel shop using the built-in automated setup. All right, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.